Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. Today we're back with RENOGY, checking out their RENOGY 400W lightweight portable RV kit. This is a nice amount of power, and it comes with batteries and everything that you need, including an inverter, solar, and DC charger all built into one. If you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount, feel free to use my promo code AdventureTech to get a deal on anything from RENOGY. Use the links in the comments in the description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I do appreciate. So there's two versions of this kit. You got the RV kit as well as the home kit. The RV kit comes with the DC and MPPT combination, while the cabin kit only comes with the MPPT. You're not going to need a DC to DC charger in your cabin, so this kit's going to save you a little bit of money. We've already talked about the RENOGY 400W lightweight solar panel here in a previous video. Feel free to go check that out if you want to learn more about that. So this portable power pack, it's a complete kit with 400W lightweight solar suitcase, dual input battery charger, batteries and cables, absolutely everything you need to power your RV all in one convenient package. Charge anywhere, anytime. You can charge your batteries on the road with the IP67 battery charger from your starter battery, or stay powered at camp with a 400W portable solar panel. Now, if you're going to be running this with an RV, you got a compact DC power solution, maximizing power flexibility and compact space for RV adventures. Not only could you throw this on the roof if you needed to, you can move this anywhere you need to. You have your battery charger here. See, this is your MPPT and DC to DC charger. So you can hook this to your alternator, which will charge your battery bank up that you're going to be using to power your devices. Also, you can hook a solar panel into this DC to DC charger. You don't see that on a lot of DC to DC chargers, which is really cool to have. Now, if you're going to be running this in your house, instead you will be getting a Rover 40 MPPT. This is a 40 amp MPPT and it's perfect size for this solar panel. It's going to be an easy solution. Look at how easy the setup is. Robust structure for consistent panel output. Sturdy, rust-resistant kickstands allow maximum power generation. Rust-resistant aluminum alloy kickstands. So these guys are paying attention. These are rated to fold and unfold over 3,000 times. Ultimate reliability with impeccable efficiency, maximizing module potential with 23% cell efficiency while harnessing compact solar cell layouts for enhanced module efficiency. These are really amazing solar panels. These are actually one of the newest, if not the newest, set of solar panels that RENOGY has released. So this is going to be an ideal solar kit if you just want everything all in one smaller package. You're not looking for a huge amount of power. You don't want it to weigh too much. This is ideal for your RV or for your cabin. And these DIY solar systems are easily expandable. So if you're trying to pick one of these up, they are on sale right now. Plus, you can use my discount code AdventureTech to get an additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments or description to get over to the page, get that deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. Subscribe for free by clicking the subscribe button. And most important, click that bell icon, and you can be one of the first people to get over to these limited deals.